I'm showing you right now how fucking ghetto Saddle Crack is. Explain to me real quick how ghetto Saddle Crack is.
Pretty ghetto.
Pretty ghetto. That's all you gotta say. Fucking look at the fucking lights. Can't afford real fucking lights. Have to use these fucking ghetto ass, yellow ass, fucking weird lights. And that's our varsity team right there, Valley Varsity. And Saddleback JV over there, Valley JV over here. These guys running in the background, they're Saddleback Varsity. Coach Urbana's over there. Yo, bro. These foods. Bleachers for you guys if you guys didn't see in the bleachers.